Just go back.
And then you just want to look at her after we talked about your daughter.
Alright guys, so we are here at AJF Racing and just dropped the car off. As you can see, it's off of the trailer now. It's inside the garage right now. But we are going to get the seats back in, the dash back in. We're gonna get some cable management done, oil change, nut and bolt check, just everything to get us ready for the season. So yeah, car's here, and I just had a little bit of a mishap, I'm not gonna lie. I was we had a toolbox because the seats aren't in and we have to move the car. So we were sitting on a toolbox, and the drawer opened to the toolbox and all of the sockets just fell out onto the yard. So I just spent about 20 minutes picking those up. But I'll learn to not hold it upside down next time. But yeah, car's here. We're getting ready for the event. We need to order tires. Tires are definitely going to be a necessity, but yeah, we did flock the dash, so I did get some video of that and I will be posting that soon. But yeah, it was a fun time. I did that all by myself, and yeah, dash is going in, seats are going in, we just painted the cage, and yeah, car's getting ready. I'm excited. So now what we're gonna do is body work and a new livery. So yes, we are doing a body kit for 2022, and we're not keeping my my poke out in the front anymore. We did get some fenders. I am looking at bumpers and side skirts right now. Not too sure what I want to do, but I do know that I do have some ideas. And yeah, new livery. I'm excited. I hope you guys are gonna like it. I've looked at a major portion of my followers and what they like, and so I'm also what I like, and I'm pretty excited for hopefully what it's going to turn out to be. And still in development right now, but it's going to be installed. Well, it's going to be finished and installed pretty soon here. So then the car's going to be ready for some shredding. We're also going to hit some crazy events this year, stepping it up to a completely different level with all the Fun Haver guys, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited. I love driving. I've been on my simulator for the past 3-4 months, so I'm excited to hopefully be able to drive an actual car now. We're gonna drive the C5 Z06 at a US Drift event down at Virginia Motorsports Park. But I did not realize that we had family coming in from New York. So yeah, we didn't go to that event, but it's okay because it's a great family time. Yeah, good time. And yeah, hopefully next event will be late April, and I'll get the event schedule out soon. Well, this is interesting, sitting on a toolbox, driving the car.
Just go back.
Alright, so after dropping the car off at AJF Racing, we went back to the shop and had to drop off the trailer. So the Corvette was there, and I will admit we did have some fun. My dad does daily that car, so it's way easier for him to control that. I didn't do as well, but I was pretty happy with how I was doing. The brake is interesting on that car. It's way different than my car. I was barely resting my foot on the brake, and it was keeping me in place. It wasn't letting me move really. So I was it's interesting, but it's definitely fun to get used to. And yeah, so we had some fun at the shop. Alright guys, so we are going to pick up the 911, and since we dropped the E36 off earlier, there is an extra spot in the garage, and the Macan, we're in the Macan right now, the Macan is going to get the PPF completely redone on the front end. So my mom and I are going to be driving the 911 to school this week, so it's going to be fun. Yeah, we're going to pick it up. Hadn't seen it about 6 months, I think, so it's we took a break. We saw it in December, but we haven't really had it for about 6 months. So we're gonna go get it. I'm excited. It's probably behind my car. It's probably one of my favorite cars that we have. So it's good to see it. It's completely different than a drift car. Obviously the 240, my car, and the Vet are all drift cars, and it's just something different. I love it. It's a fun car, and yeah, I'm excited.
Back.
Whoa. And here she is. Oh, I've missed this car. Oh, it's good to see it again. It's been too long. We need to repaint the front bumper, but it's okay. We also got Jamie's S2K here. Thing looks pretty cool. Alright, let's see if this thing starts. Alright, let's see if this thing starts. Hopefully it does. I'm hoping it will, but it's not on a battery tender, so we should be good. Right? Are a little bit dirty, must say, but we'll get this thing all cleaned up. I'm so stoked to have it back. Such a nice car. Like I said, this thing's so much different from what I'm used to, and it's just nice to have it. So after we were able to see the Porsche again for first time in a while, we brought it back home, got a good wash, and yeah, I didn't film much on that. We did also wash the Corvette, so I have a clip from washing the Corvette, but I did kind of forget to film the Porsche. So, but yeah, very fun day. Good little Saturday vlog, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.